Hi guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make the easiest and most delicious chile colorado. So if you're ready, let's get started. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin cooking. So we're going to begin by preparing our chiles for our chile sauce. In our pot, we're going to add 10 new Mexico Chile pods. Make sure that you clean them, along with 1/4 of an onion. We're going to cover them with water. Set it on high heat and bring it to a boil. Okay, and once the chiles come to a boil, we're going to turn them off and transfer them to our blender cup. And once we have our chiles, now we can finish making our sauce. To a blender cup, we're also going to add our garlic clove, beef bouillon, ground cumin, oregano, and we're going to be blending with 3.5 cups of water. Now we blend until smooth. Alright, so once we have our sauce, we're going to set it to the side so we can prepare our meat. Okay, so here I already have my meat all nicely cut into small cubes. I'm using beef chuck. To that, we're going to season it with salt and black pepper. So I'm using 4 teaspoons of salt and 1 tablespoon of black pepper. And I'm just going to sprinkle my meat. So now we're just going to coat our meat with all-purpose flour. So just make sure that it gets nice and coated. Okay, and once we have our meat ready, we can take it back to our stove. On our pan over medium-high heat, we're going to heat up 2 teaspoons of oil. And once nice and hot, we're going to layer our meat. And we're going to sear it 1 minute per side. Okay, so after the minute, flip the meat over to the other side. And just allow that side to sear. Okay, and once our meat is nice and seared on both sides, we remove it from the pan. And we repeat the process to the rest of our meat. Alrighty, and once we have seared all of our meat, we're going to reduce the heat to medium-low. Now we're going to add our sauce. And just scrape the bottom of your pan. Okay, so now I'm just going to add about 1/2 cup of water to my blender cup, just so we can get everything. And now we're just going to return all of our meat back into our sauce. Just add it all back in. So just mix it and allow it to come to a simmer. And once it comes to a simmer, we're going to reduce the heat to low. We're going to add 2 bay leaves, cover it, and allow it to cook for 1.5 hours or until the meat is nice and tender. Alright guys, so after 1.5 hours, we're going to check our meat. And let me tell you that it smells delicious. Yeah. Of course, just make sure that it is nice and tender. So my meat is done. So here I'm just going to turn it off so we can get ready to serve. Alright guys, and once we get ready to serve, I'm going to be serving with the side of rice and beans. Just going to grab my chile colorado and get ready to enjoy. And of course, I'm going to be serving with some flour tortillas. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that this meal is seriously so simple yet so delicious. Everyone loves it and it's just so comforting. So I hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Of course, you can enjoy it in burritos. You can shred the meat or just, do it however you want to enjoy it. But this is honestly the best. Look at the meat. And of course, if you want to do it in a crock pot, you can do that in an Instant Pot, in the oven. However, the flavor here is just amazing. So cheers and enjoy. It's the best. And of course, New Mexico chili pots are on the spicy side. So if you don't want it to be spicy, you can always just substitute for guajillo. But this right here is just perfection. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how to make a super easy and delicious chile colorado. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you regret this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.